mug still gonna get down in the snow. Oh, 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 oh.
When I make it through the day, I close my eyes and pray again. For my real ones, my real ones, for my real ones, real ones, real ones, for my real ones.
YouTube, what's up? It's On Ass Lifestyle TV, and we back today with another video. As you can see, it is snowing. It's not coming down that hard, but it was earlier, so of course it's snow all on the ground. And I'm about to give y'all a POV drive in the SRT Jeep. We ain't gonna do nothing too crazy because it's late at night, but you know, we gonna give y'all a little something. Also, knit distressed beanie, On Ass Lifestyle. You can get these today on asslifestyle.com. Yes sir, tap in. I'll get it to you. If you local, I'll bring it to you. It don't matter. On asslifestyle.com. Get you a distressed beanie today. Yeah, I'm about to get y'all this POV drive. Let's go. Can you ride with your hot beans? With your hot beans? Snow shit loud as here.
Yeah, I think I got so much in my
undercarriage.
Yeah, that's why you gonna feel it.
Yeah, when you turn your wheel, sometimes you'll feel it.
You gonna feel it.
You train.
You go somewhere. We definitely said that shit. See the outskirts like the like Illinois.
I was just about to say Illinois, trying to catch a feel. Definitely.
Yeah, said that and like them, how them, like I'm sliding right now.
Yeah.
Cause there's so much snow under my damn thing. I have to get that out.
It'll also stick to your tires too, though.
That's why. That's why then.
Y'all can see this mug still gonna get down in the snow. Oh, 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 damn. You should be good though, cause you got these big ass tires, but damn.
For real. Damn.
Hey, I'm glad I got that on camera. We got to turn it off and turn it back on.
Facts. I see this shit.
Nigga just spun out the SRT, boy.
I see this shit on the motherfucking high speed.
Boy, nothing's been a charger, boy. You would have cracked the rim.
Man.
This big motherfucker good,
Them
though.
damn tires, though.
Nah. As y'all can see, my man's got the wheel. He knew he couldn't go buy that goddamn median.
Yeah, facts. Damn right. I done done this multiple times, too.
Yeah, niggas just spun out.
Multiple times.
Nigga, I did a 360 on the highway in a challenge.
Yeah.
That bitch is a V6.
It'll be in all type of shit. Yeah, keep that, put that in there.
It's gonna be on the short. It's gonna be on the reel.
Yes. Yes. That's
Niggas was up the motherfucking grass.
Man.
You got
It's
these
still
big
low?
ass. Yeah. You got these big ass tires though. You ain't gotta worry about that shit.
Exactly. That's horrible.
That boy was scared. I know he was.
Man, I'm just like, don't let me go over there.
Yeah,
I'm like, this is. Man, you gotta be doing some crazy ass shit to flip this bitch. You gotta be flying, or hit a fat ass curve.
Yeah, hit curve. Hit curve and definitely flip this motherfucker. Like, we was only going like 40, 50. We was going like 60, 70. And if it was dry, you know what I'm saying? Where you wouldn't like just slip up the curve, you would actually hit that motherfucker. About good flipping. Another thing about the SRT though is low to the ground, so. Yeah, it's got to be careful out here. It was another accident right there last night.
Right
Oh no, this morning. It was this morning. It was 5 in the morning. 2 cars. Same side as always. Always on this side.
next winter, I want to be first. I want to get this winter like some snow tires and shit. Like some snow tires.
Get some chains for this motherfucker.
Chains.
Yeah, that's old school.
On me, some chains on the tires.
At least the back tires or something.
I want to do the channel know about that. Do y'all know about that?
They definitely comment below. Y'all done seen the motherfucker throw the chains on their old truck tires before. Y'all done seen that.
That's funny. That's crazy. Yeah, that's definitely some old stuff. And try to clear my shit and get some snow off the tires. Might have to buy a thing. I wasn't up. I didn't think it was gonna snow. I ain't buy one this year.
What? Scraper?
A scraper.
I got one. I got probably two of them at the crib. You can probably come grab them. I really don't even need mine. I'm not driving it, motherfucking stuff. Shit. And when I did, like, let's say I was at work and it was snow, I just defrost my shit.
Okay.
Just cut the, let that bitch run. You know how these newer cars are. Like when I was in the challenge. Comment below what quick trip we at, man. Worst fucking top 5 worst quick trip in the area.
Man.
Is that an SRT?
Nah. He's just in there.
Had to pull over right quick. Kick a little.
Yeah, tires bomb. That's why.
Yeah, you did just take her on a road trip. That probably did it. Y'all see, we did indeed bump a little curb, but everything is still pristine. We just picked up a little dandelions. That's what that Jeep is for. Let that have been the Charger.
Man.
Or I'd have been calling the tow truck. 30s. Yeah, this mug still, of course, it's made to bump a little curb here and there. There's a little grass over here too. Hey, comment down below if y'all think we did that on purpose. Did we do that on purpose? Are we reaching for content? Little head ass. Fuck nah. Are we reaching for content? I know how these YouTube niggas be nowadays. Nah, we just real life, bro. Y'all know how shit be. That motherfucker heavy got the slide. But the Jeep is ready for riding. Yeah, all the time. But yeah, we finna hop back in. Cut that GoPro back on. Catch a little POV action. Oh yeah. Once again, onasslifestyle.com. Tap the fuck in. We got red and black. We got blue UNC colorway. We got, I got a furry one too with a satin interior. You got to check that out for sure, On the Ass Lifestyle Instagram if you want to see pictures. And hit that link in the bio to get you a hat today. They pre-made, so I got over 100. So 2-day shipping if you in the States. For real, the shit take 2 days. If you in the St. Louis area, I'll bring it to you, or it'll take 1 day. Yeah, tap the fuck in on onasslifestyle.com. Spinning or something. Let me get some quick little content. Yeah, that's perfect.
Right in the middle.
Oh, man, a yak hold them. Man. All right.
When we hit the lights,
off-road, but slight off-road. sir.
Wow. Snatch. How do we snatch like that? It's crazy.
We should have got that from the outside. Forgot about that. We had to catch one of those before the night over. You snatch off in the snow.
Snatch off around the whole
Make sure
circle.
it ain't shit around though.
Drifting the whole circle. In the Jeep.
The circle is crazy.
In the Jeep. That's crazy. Something definitely gonna be fucked up.
They're straight out here plowing shit though. That's what's up. All them bitches gonna be accounted for. Watch. In like 2-3 years, all them bitches gonna be accounted for. Definitely won't see them blue anymore.
Yeah, definitely wanna see it. No. Crazy how all that shit look new.
They still make the parts though, so I wonder when they gonna stop making parts. And you gotta go aftermarket. That's gonna be crazy. That nigga said 6 P's for 2,000. There's no way you ain't making no money out there, bro. Turn this motherfucker off and shit. See, they ain't getting as much back here. Yeah, especially if I'm outside, I can definitely get shit up down the highway.
All type of shit. Bikes and shit.
Like I see how Chancey, or Big Chancey, be going when I be leaving. And his ass in the basement. I'm pretty sure you hear my shit. Dude would call me talking about turn back around. Well, he'd be like, was that you? Like, turn back around. Be like, you can't sneak past me. His ass got a truck now. Cause he be in a rental.